The circuit containing only a pure resistance of R ohms in the AC circuit is known as pure resistive AC circuit. The presence of inductance and capacitance does not exist in a purely resistive circuit. The alternating current and voltage both move forward as well as backwards in both the direction of the circuit. Hence, the alternating current and voltage follows a shape of the sine wave. The circuit which contains only inductance and not any other quantities like resistance and capacitance in the circuit is called a pure inductive circuit. In this type of circuit, the current lags behind the voltage by an angle of 90 degrees. The circuit containing only a pure capacitor of capacitance C farads is known as the pure capacitor circuit. The capacitor stores electrical power in the electric field. Their effect is known as the capacitance. The capacitor consists of two conductive plates, which are separated by the dielectric medium. The dielectric material is made up of glass, paper, mica, oxide layers, etc. In pure AC capacitor circuit, the current leads the voltage by an angle of 90 degrees. If this video is helpful, please subscribe.